Hey y'all, this is the 101 Tailored Tax Tips ebook video series. This is tax tip number 6. Tax evasion is illegal and avoid doing it. Don't do it. That's the tip. This is still in the tax planning category. And here's the reality, folks. The United States government has affirmed over and over again that US citizens have to pay taxes. Now, I am aware that there's some people who believe that taxes are not constitutional or that there are other rules or laws that say that you don't have to pay US income taxes. The federal government, the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, and state governments and tax courts all have confirmed over and over again that that view is not correct, that you are not allowed to evade taxes. What is evading taxes? Not paying the taxes that you owe, or if you owe taxes, not filing to pay for those taxes is part of evasion. So you are well advised not to try to evade taxes because the penalties are quite steep. Think of having your wages garnished if you're an employee. Think of owing the IRS interest rates that are quite high and punitive, right? So some people say loan shark type interest rates. It's just not worth it, especially if you go back to tip number 5 and you realize that tax avoidance is legal and expected, and you can find a good tax strategist to help you. So watch the video for tip number 5 and focus more on tax avoidance. Do not practice or try to practice tax evasion. It's not worth it. It could land you in jail and in financial trouble. Okay, y'all. So if you find this video to be helpful, won't you please like the video? If you find the content of this video series helpful and you want to be notified when the next video in this series is coming out, please hit the notification bell. If you find the content in general in my channel to be useful or helpful, won't you please subscribe to the channel? If you think others would benefit from watching these videos, won't you please share the videos? And then here comes my disclaimer. I am sharing these tips based on my education, my experience, and my expertise in managing my own tax affairs. I am not a qualified tax professional, so I'm not offering these tips as advice. And if you want to potentially use this tip or you think this tip will benefit you, I would highly recommend that you find and consult with a qualified tax professional to see if these tips will work for you and your circumstances. All right, y'all. See you soon.